Flow rate steady at 20 tons per hour. Copy that, logging the intake now.
Yeah, copy that. Pallet 7B is secured, moving to staging area.
Each kernel that tumbles down this chute is one step closer to becoming part of something greater, Budweiser.
This isn't just machinery, it's alchemy in motion. Water, grain, hops, and yeast are here being coaxed into beer.
The robot doesn't just open a tank, it unveils potential. It allows us to peer into the heart of creation.
The video opens with a slow motion shot that captures the climax of Indel's transformation.
It's alchemy, it's artistry, it's the soul of brewing made visible.
This is where magic happens. It's ritual, it's alchemy, and it all begins with...
This is not merely cooking. It is control. It is craft. It is the template.
The video opens with a breathtaking wide-angle shot that captures the raw, hypnotic power of industrial alchemy.
It is momentum. It is heat. It is the unstoppable pulse of industry, captured in airs.
It is fusion. It is flow. It is the unstoppable pulse of industry, captured.
It is momentum. It is flow. It is the unstoppable pulse of industry.
Look at the stress fractures here. The insulation is failing.
We need to reroute the flow immediately before it compromises the valve.
Raw industry doesn't just show production. It reveals poetry in process.
This is raw industry at its most poetic. You feel its heat, you hear its roar, you taste its promise.
And here, in this towering vessel of reflection and revolution, you don't just see how it's made.
This is raw industry at its most human, where technology meets touch, where systems rely not on circuit.
In a gleaming cathedral of modern production, where order is etched in steel and silence
howls. In the silent, steaming crucible of creation, where science and sensation converge.
In a cathedral of steel and data, where the hum of machinery is matched only by the quiet intensity of human.
In the final act of transformation, where creation meets culmination, we witness the grand release.
Because this radiant, roaring river of golden liquid is where flavor becomes.
And here, in this cathedral of cold, you don't just see machinery, you witness.
This is no ordinary pour. It's the culmination. The moment when fermentation's silent layer.
In the raw, rhythmic heart of brewing, where grain meets gravity and liquid becomes legend, we
Because this roaring, churning, golden waterfall is where impurity You witness the ignition of fermentation, the birth of flavor. Because this
In the gleaming heart of modern fermentation, where science meets sensation and data dances with.
In the molten heart of creation.
Every Budweiser must earn its plague.
Every Budweiser must earn its place.
Budweiser. Brewed with precision. Cleaned with purpose.
Every Budweiser must be baptized before it reaches you. Every drop of Budweiser begins with a river.
This is the seal, where legacy meets the lid. The heart of the operation pulses in cold, calculated harmony. A gleaming stainless steel corridor where thousands of
The pulse of modern production thrums in crimson and silver, a river of Budweiser cans, freshly filled and... This is purification in motion, each can rinsed, cooled, and readied for its next phase, as if being baptized before its journey to the world.
In this sacred space, where tradition meets technique, Budweiser isn't just brewed, it's refined.
The brewery of tomorrow breathes with digital grace. A vast cathedral-like hall where gleaming...
In this cathedral of steam and steel, beer isn't just made, it's forged, one boiling kettle at a time.
The brewery breathes, a low, primal exhale rising from the earth itself. From This is the quiet engine room of perfection. A gleaming stainless steel table displays the unsung heroes of the...
Data confirms optimal flow rate here. Everything looks perfect on this batch.
Agreed. Quality is assured.
As you can see, these daily production metrics highlight a 20% increase in efficiency this quarter.
I've calibrated the flow lever.
Diagnostics look perfect, output is steady.
This is logistics reimagined, where inventory isn't counted by hand, but by algorithm,